What's up guys, I'm Akila. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got this purple cut crease that I did for Instagram. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, first we're going to start off with moisturizer, and I'm using the Marc Jacobs Youthquake, and then we're going to use primer. I'm using the Laura Mercier primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Dior Backstage foundation. This is like legit one of my favorite foundations. It's like a perfect match for me. For concealer, I'm using the KKW's concealer. This is in shade 12. Blend that out. I'm using the Juno Co. Cloud Sponge. For a little added brightness, I'm using the L'Oreal's Infallible concealer. To set my concealer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty's loose setting powder in Banana. I mixed my banana powder with her other setting powder in the shade Honey because I thought banana was just a little bit too light for me. Okay, now go ahead and get into eyeshadow. I'm using an eyeshadow palette from Clink Cosmetics, and the first shade I'm going to use is Sexy Sangria. I'm patting that shade into my crease to add some depth. And the next shade I'm going to use is called Kahlua Latte. I'm also pressing this shade in first before I blend it out, just so I can have more pigmentation. Okay, now to cut my crease, I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Cut Crease Canvas. I'm a beginner when it comes to doing cut creases. From what I've seen, you put the concealer on your lid, you blink to see how high up you need to go, and then you carve it out. I'm using a mini flat brush right now. I've seen other people use bigger brushes, but since I'm now learning, I want it to be more precise. After I put on the cut crease canvas, I like to blend out the edges. I'm going back into Sexy Sangria again to blend out the edge. For the lid shade, I'm using Rum Chata, if that's how you say it. And I'm just going to pat that shade onto where I had the concealer. I'm going to take the shade Purple Rain and apply that to the outer edge just for a little extra pizzazz. It's such a pretty purple. And for my bottom lower lash line, I'm going to use the same colors I used in my crease, which was Purple Rain and Kahlua Latte. Now I'm going to use the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm using the Sculpt shade in the middle to bronze my face. This right here is like my new favorite blush, and it's from the Proceed with Caution collection by Makeup Shayla and Colourpop. This is a Morphe highlighter in the shade Mirage, and I'm going to apply that to all my high points on my face. These lashes right here are called Drippin Drama from Clink Cosmetics, and they're very dramatic. Now I'm going to add Rose Baby into my inner tear duct. For liner, I'm starting off with the BFF3 liner, but then I don't feel like it's dark enough, so I'll go in with BFF4. And I'm using KKW's Pink number 5 on my lips, and on top of that I use Darling by Clink Cosmetics. It's like a metallic purple. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it guys, this is how I achieved this look that I did on Instagram for Pride Month. So be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.